Assalamu alaikum. It is me, Ibrahim, a English learner. I think you know it. So currently, I'm standing in front of a plant. This is a papaya plant. You can see it is behind me. So there are many papayas at the top of the plant. Look, there are many papayas. They are raw papaya, or I can say they are green or unripe papayas. So, and if you notice that the owner of this plant has used two bamboo poles to support this plant. And basically, in my country, we eat papaya as a vegetable or as a fruit. Both way we eat it. So basically, it's me. I always try to describe anything in English. I don't know how much I can, but I try. And I wanna say that I'm an English learner. I am practicing or I am learning English by describing anything. So if I made any mistake, please take it easy and please don't criticize me. Have a good day. Take care of yourself.